Hi, I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and along with Dory's Dollies, we are doing our monthly challenge, Hi Barbie. And we are down here at the pond, which is a lake for Barbie. And she's deciding if she wants to go fishing or dive in and swim. She hasn't decided yet, but I love her patriotic swimsuit. Dory, this is always so much fun. Thank you so much for hosting this each month with me. Thank you to each person, and I mean that, I really mean it, who participates in our Hi Barbie challenges each month. This one is water play. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue Channel. Please leave a like, a comment, and if you have a video today, would you please leave that in the comments so that I don't miss one? And Thursday nights, we are live. Darren and I are live on YouTube at 6 p.m. Central. We hope you'll join us. Bye.
Hi, Barbie.